The goal really isn't just profit. The goal is to reward performance and buy time back. Familiar ka ba doon sa traditional org chart? Yung nasa taas yung CEO, tapos nasa baba lahat ng mga empleyado? Personally, I don't believe in that. I believe in a reverse structure. And ito ang image noong reverse structure na sinasabi ko. Bakit? Because the biggest load is carried by the base, by the employees. Sa totoo lang, sila naman ang nasa field. Sila ang araw-araw na sumasalang. So dapat, sila rin ang may malaking percentage pagdating sa budget. At yung CEO, isa lang naman yun di ba? Ibig sabihin, walang kahati. Kumbaga, kadalasan, may time freedom na rin si Mr. or Madam CEO. And in the real world, time has a price. So therefore, kahit 10 to 20% yan, 10 to 20% solo naman na yan, wala nang kahati. That's why, in my structure, the goal really isn't just profit. The goal is to reward performance and buy time back. Alam mo kung bakit to sobrang effective whenever I get to teach this in my organizational development programs? Because employees are motivated to stay because they are paid well. Hindi sila na-exploit at na-abuso. They're also inspired to get promoted because one day, they will get to have their time freedom as well. Alam mo, ang growth hindi lang yan pataas. Ito rin ay nagpapakita papalawak, papalalim, at papunta sa kalayaan. This, my friends, is the new model of leadership. That is abundance with justice. May hustisya kumbaga. Bakit? Because negosyante to negosyante, usap tayo. 10% of 100 million because you've got a team with you is way better and bigger than 100% of just 1 million because your team isn't with you.